Welcome to my first page. This video I'm going to share my Accenture interview experience. Let's start. Job I applied, designation is application architect and level is 8. The expected skill is React.js and experience 8 to 12 years they expected. And what I have is my current designation is technology lead and I have skills Angular, React.js and backend PHP.js. So total years of experience I have is 10 years. I applied this job on first week of August and I have received WhatsApp message on 3rd September regarding my schedule of interview. You can see this message, right? They scheduled the interview on 5th September around 11 a.m. So on 5th September I'm waiting for a long time but interviewer was not joined. You can see here this is the interview screen. I'm just sharing here. After that I just called to the HR and informed about that. After a few minutes, HR called me back and told analyst taken emergency leave, so we'll reschedule the interview soon. So I just in the next 2 weeks there is no response. I thought I'm not going to select. After that I received WhatsApp message again on 19th September. This is the message, the similar one. They scheduled 21st September on the same 11 a.m. On 21st, I have attended an interview. Interviewer also joined, and these are the questions they have asked. So, as usual, they ask self introduction and they ask me to give the rating for my skill that React out of 10. So, I given 8.5 and they asked me to explain few React related projects which I have worked earlier on previous organization and current organization. So I explained that detailedly and basic concept of React they asked like what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage and life cycle hooks which is available in the React like use state and the component types like functional and class based components. Those and all I have explained clearly and few more questions like advanced concept in React like API calls, automating and do the API calls and get a response and state management for a particular component and passing the values to parent and child like states and also they about global state management. So we use Redux for that. So I explained that Redux concept completely and code coverage there is nothing but we will create a spec files for each component that will be comes under code coverage that also explained and testing tools like JS and linting those tools also have explained and they ask about experience of team handling client communication that as well I have explained clearly because I have maintained 5 members to 15 members team in my earlier projects. And code review and deployment. Yeah, as usual, as a lead, I'm reviewing the codes and deploying uh, each sprints. Okay, so that's also clearly explained and critical issues which you faced. In my previous project, team was struggling to fix one of the issue. That is, whenever the page loads, right, the images in the same page that's taking few seconds to load after page load. So that issue was faced by my team, and I have given a simple solution for that. Just adding the image, I mean, putting the image on top and using that in the image tag. Instead of that, I copied and paste the SVG code into the HTML content that resolved that. So those I given the proper explanation and performance improvement. So here I given some answers related to code optimization and API calls or time the reduction. Those things I have explained there and agile process as usual we have stand up calls, sprint planning, retro calls. Those will be considered agile. So that also clearly explained. Okay. So these are all the questions interviewer asked and given the answer to them properly. Yeah. So this interview duration was around 1 hour 5 minutes Interview told I have some other round of interview, so just kindly wait for few days. But I have waited for few more days. But unfortunately, I got selected. No other rounds are conducted. Received a message to upload documents. You can see this WhatsApp message. They asked to log in and upload the documents which required. So as they told, I uploaded the documents and few documents. At the same day, end of the same day, 23rd, I got the offer letter to in my inbox. See, this is my email inbox, and this is the offer letter PDF. They mention the role and responsibility here. That's it, friends. So, just few interview tips for you: be bold and speak with confidence. Don't give single word answers. Give some proper explanation for each questions. Try to include examples and don't use the words like I don't know, forget the answer. Just try to give any answer but just give confidently. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for new useful videos. Thank you. Bye bye.